everyone, welcome to Patty's Polish Corner, and today is the YouTuber's weekly nail art stamping collab, and hosting this one is April with a Sparkle, and the theme is steampunk. So this is really fun. Actually, they're all fun. Really fun. They're all great. I love them. I just love doing this. So let's take a look at everyone's pictures. Mine will be the last one, and then I'll show you how I created it. Videos will be in the description box as soon as I get them. And let's get started. I'll be using Wave Gel's base gel and Shiny No Clean top gel. And I'll also be using Clean Slate. First, I'll be applying the base gel. And I do like this one. It smoothes out any ridges or imperfections in the nail and makes the nail polish look really nice and smooth. And now I'll apply Clean Slate. And if you're using gel and you get some on the edge, you want to make sure that you get that off right away before you cure. Okay, and now for the second coat of Clean Slate. And I'll do the other fingers and then we'll come back. Okay, so I have, oops, sorry about that, 2 coats of Clean Slate on all of my fingers, so I'm going to remove the tacky layer and add some liquid latex. I'll be using this Bundle Monster stamping plate that I got off of eBay. It's Machine BP X47. For stamping polishes, I'll be using Moira, and it's from their Chrome collection. So I have Chrome Silver, which is number 25, Chrome Gold, which is number 24, and Chrome Rose, which is number 29. I'll be using my Queen stamper that I got from Walmart, and I just grabbed a Bundle Monster scraper. I'll be taking the top off and popping the bottom out. That's so we can see better for placement. Okay, so we'll start out with the Chrome Rose. Well, it's a very pretty color. I don't think I've used it before. Actually, I haven't used this before. Wow, I love that color, but I did miss a spot during pickup, so I'm going to try that again. Okay, and I think that was my fault. I don't think I got all of that little one. So now I have that, and we should be good to go. Yep, got it that time. And I am just going to put them right here like that. Oh, I guess I should have put liquid latex on that finger too. Okay, well, that's okay, but that's exactly what I wanted. Perfect. Okay, I'm going to get this gear right here. And that came out perfect. And I'm just going to put that right here. And that's exactly what I wanted. So we're doing good. Okay, so now I'm going to try for this olive cluster again. And I'm going to use the silver this time. Okay, that's a good pickup. And I'm just going to put those right here. Okay, I just have to remove that little spot. Oh, there it goes. Came right off. Okay, and I think I'm going to go with that little gear right there in gold. Oh, I like that. It's a nice color. Okay, I'm going to try for that gear right there in gold. Oh, that one distorted the image, so I'll try it again. Okay, let's try to pick that one up again. Okay, there we go. That one's better. And I just need to get rid of some of this stuff around it. There we go. And I want that right up here. I like that gold color. And I think I'll go for that group in silver. Okay, so we got them, and I think I'm just going to put them over here like this. And this one down here. There. I think that looks pretty good. Now we'll do the design for the thumb, and I think I'm going to go with these three in silver. And that didn't pick up at all. Okay, let's try that again. All right, and I'm just going to put that cluster right in the center. Oh, and then I'll take that stuff away, that edge stuff. Okay, so I think I'm going to go with this image in rose. And that's going to go right here. And I'm going to go with that one in gold. Okay, we got to remove some of this stuff around the edge. Okay, I think we can get that in right here. Perfect. So now I'm going to top coat this, take off the latex, and come right back. Okay, so here is the finished look. So I hope you liked the video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. If you're not one of my subscribers, please subscribe. Thank you for watching. Bye for now.